So hello guys, the last video we end up here. We did the cooler and now we are going to do the pipeline, okay, in a cell structure. So let's do it. I'm going to select the shell design. I'm going to view menu projection. I want to change the ZX projection. Okay, I want the ZX projection, which is this one, and I'm going to geometry, objects, circle. In the graphical viewer, define a circle with a radius of 1 and the center at point 0, 0, 0. Point B will be 0, 0, 0. The exercise tells me to do that. In the graphical viewer, I think it's better in this phase to do it this way. The X or XZ, okay, apply. There you go, there you have your circle, okay. And now I'm going to the select edit menu, substructure modification / object modification command. It's a command that we used in exercise number 1. Let me select geometry, edit, substructure modification, object modification. Okay, the object is the circle, of course, and now I'm going to make a extrusion. I'm going to set the modification parameters. First of all, I want the extrusion to be parallel to axis Y. It will have 20 meters length and will have 20 number of divisions. Okay, I'm going to apply. This is the first change that we made to this object. Okay, we had our circle over here and we extruded it 20 meters in this direction. Now let's make the next modification on this object. Remember that we ended up here. Okay, remember that we ended up over here because we start with the circle and we went all this way 20 meters. Okay, now the next modification is the revolve. I'm going to select the revolve. It's the second modification. To open the revolve dialog box, I'm going to define the parameters for the revolving object. The axis beginning is 220, 0. The axis when end will be 220 minus 1 or 221. The rotation angle will be minus 90 degrees and the number of divisions will be 5. I'm going to apply. Okay. Let me explain that again. We started over here. The first modification to the circle that we had defined over here. Now this is the extrusion. This extrusion was a second. And now we end up here and we are going to do another modification. I'm going to press the extrude button, object modification list, there you go, and I want it to be parallel to axis X, to have a length of 2 and to have division number of 2. I'm going to apply that, there you go, and I want to do now another revolve, which is the modification number 4. And I want this revolve to have an axis beginning of 424, 0, 424, 0, and over here 424, 1. The rotation angle will be 90 degrees and the number of divisions will be 5. I'm going to apply that and now I'm going to extrude once again parallel to axis Y. The length will be 10 meters and I want 10 division number. I'm going to apply that and close the division number. As I said, you get that in this is the first point. Second, okay, if you notice, this tells you how much divisions number that you've got. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You've got 10 divisions over here, okay? The division number is in how many steps you want to divide the 10-meter extrusion, okay? I think you got this. It's not hard to get. Going to select the zoom all icon, okay, and there you go. There you got your pipeline. If you want to model a pipeline, just do like this. So thank you very much. The next video on exercise number 10 will be on a axisymmetric structure. It's going to be very cool. So please subscribe and come back for the next exercise.